pastor B. Ya many pebi. Ankasa so a pastor. Let me put them in quotation marks. Yeah, pastor B or inverted commas. Pastor B, watching the police archie so for be I don't know what about and some or she shall quade or she shall form be the man. But then you know me, my quack ex-hume and a Meza Brown. Now there's this particular guy who calls himself Pastor Blanks. Every 31st to be on the time on the 31st of December. Yes, we are when the video all trend on social media. All your outrageous things in a supposed church where all the church members where you may be born ma either there only shave or be armpits. You can see the photo on your screen. Or shave or be armpit and as the ordinance usher somebody's reproductive organ or that to do now so all the pay all my quantre and a whole lot of other things we jambotium chede oji draws ewa I mean never be a oye so later na ye hu ne desa na onya sofo but then now he has been arrested. Now he became popular in Ghana after videos of him battering his church members went viral. His arrest was confirmed by Kofi Adwumani, and he said that Pastor Blanks told him in a video that he was arrested for not having a license to shoot movies. Again, the film authority claimed he has not classified his video or movies that he uploaded on YouTube. Pastor Blanks, however, said the video, Pastor Blanks' movie, passed through the classification process. He also revealed that he was denied bail after his arrest and he was sent to court yesterday. Intina asama wa banging. But then Kofi Adwumani, senior journalist, he explained the whole scenario, everything that happened. Tiya kwane konkote asama ozituga.
Yeah, busafo mokai osophobia ne video a cover up chinchimpa a friend of Pastor Blanks. And I'm saying Obiare na Safoma. There was also another video Obiare Safoma no ewo ensue aigu pan no ankremo kra Obiare no wasa e de ama mo se wo mo enom ne video no trendy ye pa ma ye ne di ho nkomo kra na the latest video hunu se Obiare emma ewo pan mu ne ne young pastor ene sa videos na aba ne na sa na ebetumi de asem abre no make I say Ghana police akwakoche no ama womo enre ya na womo eche no a wademo ene ya no womo arrange no before court enchemu ahodo no womo den eben ne kakra ebisa no se ede important enchemu a ode emame no yentie kakra
na tiene se endra no ana mkase memra womo friend Friday ne se endra memra na National Film Authority for Abomi charge say no movie without licenses and a few so with the content up to YouTube censorship for man BBA into McCoy and me statement in here you know I was thinking so be money bill but man money bill into nana doing backwards but when I be American Pastor Blanks movie no and once you started trying 2017 now 2017 and 2018 December a cost inside because near the premiere no silver bed into a cost inside into Pastor Blanks movie no so I did that we see and call classification that's nearly called classifier or X that's almost it and call classification into an on the bomb for now. It's not the one.
Yeah, and you say quadri no. Also, I call classify film authority for those who don't quite. And some of the why be to know that may the updates me and subsequently no So let me say a very big thank you to my crew for making this possible. Producer one, Prince Wahade. Big ups to you all and everyone who helped. So big ups to you. Speedy recovery going out to another producer, Bishop Herman Sam. Yes, next time. I meant time got to drink of August. So what I say? Now let me tell you. I wanna was all what drink of and the girls know. Oh no, what you want will be pro. But when was said to trap her mona tumpa. I don't know mouse, watch you trap nachibela. Oh yeah, fine. So Bishop, watching so free mufia. I know what she on so what I say. And thank you also for joining me today. You know I can't do this without you. I do this with you, you do this with me, and fine. Let me be also wow. So big shout outs to all of you. And if you're celebrating your birthday today, happy birthday going out to you. I mean sure and you're welcome and beside the more. Whatever you believe in, any other God you believe in, I pray that God will grant you all of your heart's desires. Stay strong, stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow, but you can still get interactive with us via our social media platforms at Ideashare Team on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook. Go on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Do well to visit ideashonline.com for all your credible and authentic news. Ni nara okohonom to make sure that beko na akwa search na ehu ma orokodo ehonom. Follow me on Instagram at miss_woman, on Facebook at Sika Woman. Hit me up and let's link up. Stay safe, stay hydrated, mind your own business as always. I'll see you same time tomorrow at exactly 2 p.m. Adios.